Do you know the correct pronunciation of the days of the week? It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's go through deeply. The focus should be on the first syllable, mon. The focus should be on first syllable, one, mon, two, wens, thurs, fry, satur, sun, Monday. And the rhyme of mon is fun, run, sun, mon, mon, Monday, Monday. This is not Monday, Monday. No, Monday, Monday. You should not give stress to day. Only the stress should be on month, month, Monday, Monday. Tuesday. There is a schwa sound here. Schwa sound makes it more polite. Choose should be pronounced as choose. Day. Choose like fuse, news, cues. These are the same rhymes so that you can understand it deeply. Schwa sound makes it more polite and fluent. Tuesday, Tuesday. Z sound here. Z sound here. Wednesday, not Wednesday. No. Wednesday. Wens. It's a gentle sound. ES should be Z. Wednesday. Thursday. This is not Thursday. This is Thursday. Thursday. S is again Z. Thursday. Now we have Friday. The most easiest sound. Cry, Friday. Like frying an egg, fry egg, Friday. Now we have Saturday. We will not pronounce it Saturday. No, Saturday. Your sound will be converted to ER due to schwa sound to make it more fluent. Saturday. Sat like hat, mat, pat, sat. Saturday. All right. Now we have Sunday. 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 This is the same sound as it is written. Sun and day. Sunday. Now repeat again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now we'll use all of these days of the week in sentences so that we can notice the sound in sentences as well. First thing you should know that the preposition we use with the name of the days of the week is on Wednesday, on Tuesday, on Monday. But here we use till because here we want to communicate some other sense. That is why our meaning is different. Otherwise, generally, we will use on with the name of the days of the week. The workshop is on Monday. We'll reschedule it on Tuesday. I'll be traveling on Wednesday. I'll visit my friends till Saturday. Here we are not telling something general. We are telling our condition till Saturday. That is why our preposition changes. Is the concert on Sunday? Look how the names of the days of the week seems more fluent in sentences.